Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to export images in Photoshop. So earlier we have seen that how to flatten an image and then save it as a JPEG file in your folder. But in this tutorial we are going to see instead of flattening the image and then going to the file and then saving it in a particular folder, what we can do is just a small trick, and that's what actually Photoshop is like. So basically I'll tell you the difference between save and export. So well, basically if I save this image, it will get saved, and then once I open it back again, or maybe if I save it in .psd file, so it's not a JPEG file but it's a .psd file. So if I save it and then open it afterwards and do some editing and I click on save, the earlier image or the earlier .psd file will be replaced with this file instead. And if I want to save that file, I will have to kind of rename the file and then save it as a different file so that the names don't get clashed, and then the previous file is saved as well. But an export, if I export this file, it will get exported in different file formats such as JPG, PNG and GIF. So we have other options as well. So we have other options to save the file, but instead of saving we are going to export it. So let's try it out. We are going to go to export and we have this option as export as. So as you can see, this window appears where I didn't have to flatten my image. It automatically gets like this. It automatically appears like this. And now if I have to choose, we have all these four options: .png, JPG, GIF or SVG. So if I want to save as JPG, I'll click on JPG, and then my quality is 100, width is this, height is this, canvas size is this, all of these. And once I'm done, I'll just click on export and choose my location, and once done I'll just save. So it's a short trick, and it's very easy to do that. But if I want to export all these different layers single, and I don't want it to be in this format, I don't want it to be like this complete sheet. All I want is like a normal text apart from all these. Like if I want this shape or this rectangle, this text, this logo, so I'll get everything differently. So we have already learned this, but still as a revision, we are going to go to file, export, and we have this option called as layers to files. So what happens is all these layers, suppose these are around I guess 12 to 15 layers, so all these layers will get saved, and they'll get exported in different files. There won't be a simple this single image, it will be a different file. So that's one option. Or else there's one little cool trick I'll show you. So I have this watermark. I've made this watermark. So as you can see, this is a .png file, and if I open, there's this magic that I have this transparent background with my text on, and I can just easily move my text and paste it on any part of the image or any part of my project. So suppose I'm editing a image for my photography page and I want to add this watermark. Instead of going to Photoshop and then again opening the .psd file just to get this transparent background, what I have done is just I've made this what you can say I've made this image and then I converted into a transparent file. So instead of complicating even more, I'll demonstrate. So I'll create this new square file and then add a new layer and delete the background. So I've got this transparent layer over here now. Now to start typing, I'll just go to my text icon and type, let's say 52 pixels. So I've typed in my text and I'll change the color to black so that it's more visible. So as you can see, I have typed in my text on this transparent background. But now when I want to save it for further use, most of you would prefer to save it in .phd file because it will be like it's a Photoshop document, so you won't have to mess up with the background getting whitened or blackened out. Your background will stay transparent. But instead of saving in .phd file, what we can do is just file, go to export and export as. So once I click on export as, again this window appears, and as you can see currently the background is white, just the way you didn't want, because the format is JPG. But if I keep my format as PNG and I check this transparency checkbox, so as you can see I have this transparent pixels visible, which shows that my image is transparent and only this black, the written part, is there in the image. Rest everything is transparent. But again, if I uncheck this transparency, as you can see I have already gotten my white background the way I never wanted. So make sure you go to PNG and save this as a transparent file so that you can always open it, and instead of a .phd file you will just get this PNG file and you will be able to open it. So I'll open this file to show you. So as you can see, this is my PNG file, and if I click on open, I have my transparent background and I don't have to save it in PSD format anymore. So well, that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.